suspends Dino Melaye. Breaking news from Kogi State, Nigeria. Former Senator Dino Melaye has been suspended from the People's Democratic Party. This decision comes after the party's ward executives in Ayetoro-Gwede Ward 1. The suspension stems from Melaye's failure to respond to an invitation from the party. Ward executives cited anti-party activities and alleged misconduct as the reasons behind this drastic measure. The decision was made during a meeting of the Ward Party Executive Committee in Ayetoro-Lugba Ward 1. They gathered to review a report from a disciplinary committee tasked with investigating Melaye's alleged anti-party activities. In an official statement signed by the ward chairman, Abayomi Osamika, and Secretary Yotsin Dayo, the committee declared that Melaye's conduct has brought embarrassment and disrepute to the party. They concluded that his continued membership is no longer tenable. The suspension is effective immediately and is in line with the Article 59, subsection 1 of the PDP Constitution. This article empowers Ward Party Executive to take disciplinary action against members who violate party rules. This development marks a significant turn of events for the former senator, who has been a prominent figure in Nigerian politics. The PDP's decision underscores the party's commitment to maintaining discipline within its ranks. As the story continues to unfold, we'll bring to you updates on any responses from Melaye or further actions from the PDP. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more on this developing story.